Hello everyone, it is indeed inspiring to see you back again. Now we are exploring the map, which is basically called as a field map or simply maps. Now how this map can be created. Let us populate the map. Let us basically have the map on our screen. So double click on country and you will get the map. So first of all, you can simply do click on this particular map and you can see that the map, which was symbol map, has been transformed into map, which is field map. Now let me click on show me here and we have a field map. Now what do you want to represent? So whatever you want to represent, you can basically bring. Let's say you want to represent sales, you can bring sales into color, and here you can see the color has been changed as per the sales value. Lower the sales value, lighter is the color. Higher the sales value, higher, brighter is the color. So I can click on color, I can click on edit colors. If you want some stepped colors, you can even get the stepped colors. You want some different pattern, you can get a different pattern also. You can apply and you can click on OK, and here you can see that you are getting a different colors, where basically the scale tells us that which is lower and which is higher, where the sales is lower, where the sales is higher. So this is how you can basically create a field map where you can have colors in this manner, and then whatever detailing you want to basically come up with. So I would like to display this sum of sales under label, and you can see sum of sales is visible. And I would also like to basically name the country, so I'll bring the country into label and we'll be able to see the country over there. And if you want to go to drill down, you can just click on country, it will expand, and here you can see that it is expanding. If you click on states again, it will expand further. So it is again expanding, but we're able to see that that particular dot, that particular data point belongs to which country. So this is how basically we can create a field map, and field map tells us about a particular state or a particular country, and it fills the whole of the country with a color. That is what is field color map. Okay, so let us move towards some more concepts. Till then, you can keep watching. Do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.